Because if you say you love this boy, somebody offered you 2 million naira immediately to dey back pé kẹ́ lọ sin ọmọ. Wọ́n ní owó tán fún yín yẹn pé gbọ́dọ̀ fi sin ọmọ, pé kẹ́ lọ sin ọmọ yẹn ni. That means you have something to ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tí ẹ fẹ́ ká mọ̀. Because báwo lẹni yẹn tí ó rí òkú tó máa ṣe lọ tọrọ owó ni, báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ pé owó ló ń offer? Definitely ẹni tó kówó fún yín yẹn ló ń bá wọn people yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ pé ó máa wọlé, ẹ má worry, ó máa wọlé. Ẹ sọ ẹ pọ̀. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣé ó ní pé òkú yẹn kò gbọdọ̀ dúró sínú ilé ẹ̀?
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, a máa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, a máa kí yín, a sì kí yín káàbọ̀ sí orí channel wa Kilosele TV. Ibi tá tí mo gist wá fún yín ní ọlọ́kan ìjọ̀kan fún àwa tá ti subscribe, ẹ ṣeun a dúpẹ́. Fún àwa tá ò ti subscribe, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa subscribe kẹ́ lè máa rí àwọn update wa lóòrèkóòrè. Ẹ má fi subscribe, ẹ má fi ṣàhùn. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa subscribe kẹ́ lè máa rí àwọn update wa, kẹ́ bá wa comment, kẹ́ bá wa share, kẹ́ bá wa like. Ẹ ṣeun.
Ó gbọ́dọ̀ wọlé. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ wọlé. Ilé ò gbọ́dọ̀ mọ bókù yìí. All station close. Wọ́n ti gbé sin. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Nínú mọ́tò tó kú yẹn wà tẹ́lẹ̀ order mọ́tò yẹn pé yá padà sílé ẹ̀ nílé kí jẹ́ ká gbókù yẹn padà sílé. Títí tá máa fi rí solution ibi tá máa ṣe máa sin. Ẹ lè ṣe nǹkan kan nípa ẹ̀. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tí ẹ fi gbé ọmọ lọ́mọ? Tẹ́ ẹ fi gbé sínú mọ́tò. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn Baba Mohbad? Tẹ́ ẹ ń wá ilé tí Mohbad kọ́, ilé tí Mohbad rà. Mohbad sọ fún yín pé òun ra lé. Mohbad sọ fún yín pé òun lòun nílé. Mohbad sọ pé òun sọ deposit. Mohbad sọ pé òun ti fẹ́ sanwó ilé tán. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ó nílé. Lẹ jẹ́ kí Mohbad sùn sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ títì tílẹ̀ fi mọ́. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ó nílé. Lẹ ṣe lè lọ change kẹ́ ẹ ṣe Mohbad bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe òkú. Tó fi jẹ́ pé inú mọ́tò, lẹ́yìn mọ́tò lẹ ti ń wọṣọ fún, kí ló ń kan yín lójú? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ bá mi béèrè lọ́wọ́ Baba Mohbad. This is not about Baba lost his son. No, forget it. Leave that emotion and stop talking about Baba lost his son. If Baba just lost his son, forget it. Ilé ayé ta wà Baba ń pọ̀ mọ́ pa Baba. Oh, with what I'm saying right now, you can tell me Baba was not there when Mohbad died. Baba was there 2 days before. So what happened between that 2 days? Yeah? Kí ni Baba kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ní 2 days yẹn before Mohbad died? He was there 2 days in that house. So how come tẹ́ ẹ ti gbé ọmọ tẹ́ fẹ́ lọ gbé sí mọ́ṣúárì tó gbà lọ́wọ́ yín? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tẹ́ fi gbé sínú mọ́tò tó wà nínú mọ́tò tẹ́ dẹ̀ ń change aṣọ ọmọ lọ́rùn bẹ́ẹ̀? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé inú mọ́tò lẹ ti ń gbé sínú pósí ṣé kò nílé ni? Ẹ̀bẹ̀ ló nílé tẹ́ fẹ́ gbà. Ogun tẹ́yìn ń claim sí kí ló tẹ́ jẹ́ kí Mohbad fọwọ́ kó sùn síbẹ̀. Àwọn tí wọ́n gbé lọ sí hospital. The people that took him to the hospital. He was brought in dead, right? Ó ti kú nígbà tó máa dé hospital àbí? They were living in denial. Darosha told them, okay, take the body back home. We can't believe he's gone. Ní ìfẹ́ gbọ́ pé ó ti kú bá mi gbé padà sílé ó sì lè jí. Ilé ni wọ́n gbé padà lọ. But you took it from his house. For the fact that they took him back home. Wọ́n sì respect body. The dignity was there. They won't protect the dignity. They were able to protect his dignity. They took him back home. What about you that took the body from that house? From his house. The house you claim. You now ended up putting him in the bus. Nínú van. Ambulance. Sena. Láti alẹ́. Aago mẹ́sàn tẹ́ ti gbé kúrò ní Lekki. Títí tí lẹ fi mọ́ dago 12 ọjọ́ kejì nínú mọ́tò bí ẹni tí ò nílé. Baba Mohbad. Ẹ bá mi share video yìí, please. Share this video. Share it tẹ́ ṣe tẹ́ ṣe pé máa ṣe pé gan o. In as much ngba mi ti bá ní mi fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ń pa ẹ mọ́. Ẹ kì í jẹ́ jókòó mi jẹ́jẹ́. Ẹ kì í jẹ́ jókòó mi jẹ́jẹ́. Àwọn kan wá ń push ẹ. Go and write petition against me. Go and write petition against Darosha. Write petition against him. Write petition against this. Write petition against that. If you could write a petition against Darosha, tí o bá wọn gbélé, tó yẹ pé ńgbà tó kúkú ni wọ́n pè lórí phone, pé kó má bọ̀. So what about you that took the body and left the body unprotected, and you left him? Sorry, boss. Sunu mọ́tò láti alẹ́ sílẹ̀ fi mọ́. For how many hours? More than 12 hours. Ni òkú bọ̀bọ́ ìṣe wà nínú mọ́tò. Kí ni nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe fọ́mọ yẹn? So why are you loving Mohbad now? Because people are saying, Baba, and you, when you go out there to grant interview, she's my second, he's my best friend. Can you do your best friend like that? Wọ́n ní ẹni tó bá lọ mú òkú, ẹni tó bá mú àbúrò ẹ̀, tó mú àbúrò ẹ̀ lọ ṣe òkú ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀, tó ṣe ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ ní òwò. Ó ṣàlàyé fún àbúrò títí ẹ̀ bó ṣe máa ṣe òun náà nìyẹn. If you truly love Mohbad, yeah, you will not disrespect his body like that. You disrespected him. So the excuse, Baba went to the station. They didn't give Baba report. Baba went to the mortuary. They didn't take they didn't take him from mortuary. Why didn't you take him back home? Why does he have to be in the bus all day, all night, more than 12 hours? You took the body out of Lekki 9 o'clock, like as you said, like you claim. 9 o'clock, lale. The Mohbad was buried. Lọ́jọ́ KGB 12 o'clock. That is how much? How many hours? That would be 15 hours. The Mohbad di fi wà nínú mọ́tò. 15 good hours. Ìwọ kan náà ló sọ pé, àwọn ọlọ́pàá, wọn ò jẹ́ ká rí justice fún Mohbad o. Àwọn èèyàn, wọn ò jẹ́ ká rí justice fún Mohbad. Ẹ jẹ́ bá wa bẹjọba wa o. Ìwọ gogogogo ló yẹ kọ́kọ́ mú. Ìwọ gogo ló yẹ kó sokùn mọ́ lọ́rùn. Come and wọ ekiri títí reason tó fi distress, tó fi báyé òkú Mohbad jẹ́ tó so di wèrè. Ìwọ gogo ló yẹ kó mú. Nígbà tí ya Mohbad délé yẹn, orí òkú, ó ní ó débẹ̀, kò rí òkú. Ó ní pé ọmọ mi ò tí kú, ó sì máa jí. Ọlọ́run tó ń jókòó sì lè jókòó dìde, nǹkan tó ń pè lẹ́ni tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ èèyàn nìyẹn. Àwọn Darosha tó sọ pé kó má gbé lọ sí mortuary, àwọn tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ nìyẹn pé ó sì lè lọ jí, kó má yẹ kó wọ kómà. Àti rẹ́ni tó kú rí tó wọ kómà tó tún padà jí. Àwọn tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ Mohbad nìyẹn. Ìwọ débẹ̀, ó lọ sókè, ó bá wọn yan 100, wọ́n tẹ́ Mohbad sáàrin wọn bẹ̀. Ó lọ rí Mohbad. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé Mohbad jábẹ́rẹ́. Ó gbé òkú kúrò láàrin yan 100. Wọ́n ní gbogbo ayé bẹ̀ sí ní sọ pé kó má gbókù lọ ní okòsè tó kàn ẹ̀ ó gbé lọ nítorí pé kíni 2 million tó ní wọ́n fún ẹ yẹn, àwọn wo ló ṣe fún àwọn wo gangan. Ọlálékè Tèmiládé ó ní ẹ bímọ ẹ ṣàánú àwọn ọmọ ẹ tẹ̀bí, kò ní yẹ àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n gangan bí. Ní ilé ayé tí wọ́n wà yìí, wọ́n ò tí ríbi tí bàbá ti ń pọmọ, ó ríbi tí ìyá ti pọmọ tó bí. Ẹ fi emotion sílẹ̀. It need to be questioned. The money, the 2 million given to him. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tí ó béèrè fún 2 million? Why didn't you ask question? Orí ẹ̀ dọ́ta ni. Ẹjọ́ tó ń rò pàpàpàpàpà sí ìgbà tó yẹ kó rò ti kọjá. Tí o bá ń ro ẹjọ́ tó ń rò yẹn, wà á ti save life ọmọ yẹn. Ọmọ yẹn gan ò ní kú kó orí burúkú tó kù yìí. Torí kò ní máa sá for hospital. Kàkà kí o rojọ́ nígbà yẹn, tọ́rọ́ kọ́bọ̀ táwọn Naira Marley ń fún ẹ. Níṣó ló lọ ń romance àwọn Naira Marley tó dẹ̀ ń na ọmọ ẹ. Ṣé ló lọ ń romance àwọn Naira Marley àwọn Sam Larry tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń na ọmọ ẹ tó dọ́ fẹ́ fi tọ́rọ́ kọ́bọ̀ sẹ́ lápò. So what love did you have for Mohbad now? Tell me. Why now? Because people are contributing money. You now became a lover of Mohbad overnight. Because dumps, they are contributing money to your pocket. Abi? You're not talking. Eba mi wa television. Eba láti jọ́ tó ti ń sọ̀rọ̀. Ìjọ́ wo ló ti wá sọ fún wọn pé nǹkan tá àwọn Naira Marley, àwọn ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbogbo kíni ó sorry. Wọ́n bí ere kò sọ torí pé o lè ní ẹ. Because you're a thief. ṣé yín tẹ́ ń ṣe pé ṣé nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ gbọ́ ni mo sọ yẹn mo ti sọ fún yín ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé yín kò stop anything kò stop anything wọ́n gbé ọmọ kúrò ní police station sí láti hospital wọ́n gbé wá sílé àwọn kan wá sọ pé kó lọ máa petition Wùnmí ló pa ìwọ gangan ńkọ́ kí ni wọ́n ṣe sí ìwọ tó gbé ọmọ lọ 15 hours tó gbé sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ títì tó páàkì mọ́tò tẹ́ páàkì òkú sí ẹ̀gbẹ́ títì fún 15 good hours kí ni kàn ṣe fún wọ tó bá yẹ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ló nífẹ̀ẹ́ Mohbad ni ó ò ní fìyà jẹ òkú ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn gbogbo bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ tó lọ yẹn reason tó ṣe lọ ni pé you don't want to spend the money in GoFundMe no and you want to waste time so that you will not be able to meet up with the time given to you. Reason being that you don't want Mohbad to be buried. Until you make that money, you have targets. Owó de tik me. And you don't want Mohbad to be buried. You don't want that boy to be buried until you make that money. You want to gather the money together so that by the time Mohbad is buried, you will now start building the church. You want to gather money from public. You are not looking for one justice, any justice, anywhere. Good afternoon, my baby. You are not looking for justice anywhere. You don't even care about Mohbad. You are doing all those things. My son, you go talk about mommy. To ba je pe be lo se like Mohbad to fe mo ku to pomo. Oh, ni dákẹ́. Fomo to lọ sí show ní jẹta. Ko pe po ku ko de like ko de rí ẹ̀jẹ̀ ko de gba inú dákẹ́. Àwọn tó wọ́n dá ẹ pé Mohbad gbọ́dọ̀ wọlé yẹn wá ṣàlàyé fún wa. Gbogbo phone forensic tá ẹ sọ yìí. Phone Jasi leti ma mo ku tó pa Mohbad. Phone Jasi Sherry te ba ma mo ku tó pa Mohbad. If you're looking for justice for Mohbad truly, you have to do forensic on Mohbad's phone, Baba Mohbad's phone. And then the Wema Bank account. Go and trace that Wema Bank account. Get the statement of account of that Wema Bank account. Kewa wo àwọn tó fún lówó nígbà tí Mohbad kú. Jasi was working for some people. Shegoni, only Wunmi was the only one inside the house when the boy died. Okay, what about Adura? Adura was not there. But you said you guys were saying 15 people, right? So now she was the only one. Fine. When shouting her name, Baba Mohbad, I'll read your message. When shouting her name, Baba Mohbad said it was the one taking her to mountain to get pregnant. Baba Mohbad cannot pray for anybody to get pregnant. And some people still believe the narrative the crime boy gave them. Okay. Wunmi was the only one inside the house when the boy died. That was a lie. So that's your own narrative anyway. That is your own belief. Sure you get.
So then, okay, I beg him severally, demanding here. See me again.
Only kí wọ́n bọ́ síta, ó ní ó débì kan rẹ́ jẹ. Lọ mú fídíò ẹ̀jẹ̀ wá. Onírọ́ ni. Onírọ́ ni. Bẹ́nu yín ṣe mú yìí. Ẹ̀yin arẹ́jẹ̀ bí kan yín ò ní sọ̀rọ̀. Bẹ́nu yín ṣe mú yìí. Pa àti tó ní kẹ́ má sọ àti da. Ẹ̀yin máa rẹ́jẹ̀ bí kan ẹ̀ ní sọ̀rọ̀. Jasi, Mayana. Ṣé Jasi ẹ máa rẹ́jẹ̀ bí kan ẹ̀ ní sọ̀rọ̀? Ṣé mo ti ṣe nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́? Ṣé pé yín ti stop mi? Ó lè pé tó máa yà mí wèrè. Ṣé mo ti wá ya wèrè báyìí? Ṣé ó ní pé mo ti wá ya wèrè yẹn gangan báyìí? Ṣé ẹ̀yin máa rẹ́jẹ̀ ẹ̀ ní sọ̀rọ̀? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ṣe ẹni pé bàbá tó bí bàbá ẹ̀ wá sọ̀rọ̀. Kí ni bàbá ẹ̀ wá fà bá yín sọ? Èèyàn méjì ló máa ń jà wèrè. Téèyàn kan bá ti ń dá ya wèrè, kò wèrè ló ń yà. Èèyàn méjì ló máa ń jà. Téèyàn kan bá ti ń bá rẹ̀ jà, ó ti ya wèrè nìyẹn. Bàbá ẹ̀ block mi, ó máa block yín. Torí pé èmi gan ò lè stand yín. Èmi gan ẹ̀ rí pé mo bá yín ṣe ẹ ti súyàn. Nígbà tẹ́ fẹ́ pé bàbá ẹ̀ pa, tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń béèrè ìwélé, tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń béèrè receipt freezer, tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń béèrè receipt fridge, tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń béèrè receipt microwave. Bàbá ẹ̀ ò ní block yín. Nígbà tẹ́ lọ sá rice lọ́jọ́ sí, ẹ rí bí ẹ ṣe ń disgust wọn bẹ̀. Gbà tẹ́ lọ sá rice. Ẹ rí pé ẹ àná àwọn ọkùnrin bí tiyín tó wà ńbẹ̀. Ẹ rí pé ẹ àná ìwọ̀n tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń béèrè placenta ọmọ àgbàlagbà. Tó sọ fún yín pé ṣé bí bàbá ọmọ ló máa sí placenta kí ni titi yín? Ẹ wá ní in the island, no place to bury. How is that your problem? How is that your problem? You're too nosy. You're too nosy. Torí ẹ lè ṣe lọ sílé èyàn tẹ́ lọ gbókù. Ẹ wá gbókù tó ń ṣe ẹ ti gbókù lọ. Ẹ lọ fòkú ṣẹ̀sí. Ẹ gbókù sẹ́gbẹ̀ títì fún 15 hours. Tó bá yẹ pé Wùnmí ló gbókù yẹn láti ilé yẹn tó lọ gbé sẹ́gbẹ̀ títì ni. Ẹjọ́ tẹ́ máa rò lé nìyẹn. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin wèrè tẹ́ ń tẹ̀lé Jasi. Ask him question. Stop being too emotional. Let Baba Mohbad come and tell us what he knows about the whole thing. He's not telling you the truth. He's lying to you because he needs money from you guys. He's taking advantage of the public. He's taking advantage of their stupidity. Let's gather owó jọ. To 50 years old, 50, 2 years to 50. Mimi. What's here? Tọ́ba dẹ̀ true question yẹn sí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń support Baba Mohbad pé ṣé Wùnmí ló pọkọ ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tọ́ba ní kíni kẹ́ mú proof wá kíni nǹkan tẹ́ rí kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ rí mú jáde kò make sense. Tóbìnrin bá wà tó bá support obìnrin pé lọ ṣe DNA fún lágbájá dáàmì kò níranù pàtàkì ni ẹ́. Obìnrin tó bá support obìnrin pé kó lọ ṣe DNA fún èèyàn tí ò ń ṣe bàbá ọmọ oníranù obìnrin ló máa support irú ẹ̀. Èmi ò kì í ṣe oníranù. Èmi ò lè support DNA. Tó bá pé Mohbad ló ń béèrè DNA màá ní dandan kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tó ṣe DNA fún ìbú wà tí ẹlẹ́jọ́ pa àwọn ọmọ wáyé but tí Mohbad gan bá wá sí public wàláì agbógun tì but tó bá pé Mohbad ló ń béèrè DNA lọ́hùn mi why not wọ́n á sọ pé kí ni problem tètè jókòó kó ready tó bá ti ṣe DNA yẹn fún pack ẹrù ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ kò sí fífẹ́ mọ́ no more marriage that is it kò tí màá sọ fún nìyẹn but pé ìwọ kan àwọn kan tẹ̀ ń ka lọ the boy ṣe kíní kan he has every right to know his father ṣé Mohbad ló fẹ́ lọ mọ̀ nínú sàárè ni he has every right problem tẹ́ni ni pé you're taking Baba Mohbad for Mohbad that is the problem we have here you guys are taking Baba Mohbad for Mohbad. Baba Mohbad is different from Mohbad. Once Baba Mohbad cannot register Mohbad's son, Baba Mohbad is not Mohbad. Tí bá pé Wùnmí wà nínú oyún láfta tí Mohbad bímọ yìí tí Mohbad ti kú yìí kí Wùnmí wá bí ọmọ yẹn sáyé Baba Mohbad ò lè register as the father of the child now. So kí lẹ́tẹ̀ ń sọ pé he has every right to know the father. Which father? Ṣé grandfather èèyàn ni father èèyàn ni? Sentiment burúkú.
Èyí tí mi ò gbóhùn ẹ̀ rí tá a jọ sọ̀rọ̀ rí ẹ worú irọ́ yẹn irú ẹ̀yìn á sọ pé òun apologize irú apology wo kò yé mi irú apology tó ń sọ ṣé ọmọ parọ́ yẹn ni.
Go and get a life. Come and tell us what you know about all this issue. Come and tell us what you know about it. Stop pretending everywhere. To me, I don't care about you. If you go cry, what I will believe is what I will believe. I don't care. All I know is you are not straightforward. You yourself, as the father of Mohbad, you know a lot about this case. You just don't want the public to know about it. Simple. Wunmi knows a lot. Baba Mohbad too knows a lot. Just come and tell us. Because if you say you love this boy, somebody offered you 2 million naira immediately to debe pé kẹ́ lọ sí ọmọ. Wọ́n ní owó tán fún yín yẹn pé gbọ́dọ̀ fi sí ọmọ pé kẹ́ lọ sí ọmọ yẹn ni. That means you have something to ṣẹlẹ̀ tí ẹ fẹ́ ká mọ̀. Because báwo lẹni yẹn tí ó rí òkú tó máa ṣe lọ tọrọ owó ni báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ pé owó ló ń offer. Definitely ẹni tó kówó fún yín yẹn ló ń bá wọn people yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ pé ó máa wọlé ẹ má worry ó máa wọlé ẹ sọ ẹ pọ̀ta kẹ́ wá sọ fún wa na nǹkan tẹ́ mọ̀. Benny, come and tell us what you know. Because so ba jẹ́ pé nǹkan ló máa yẹ kó jẹ́ mi o, I will come out and say jo ẹni tó fún wọn 2 million yẹn bó ló ti rówó wo kíni. It's part of the thing you have to discuss in public. The 2 million given to you at that night, what happened? Why did they give you that money? They gave you the 2 million, you told them to give this to the manager. Why? Only one rack, at the end of the day, one fún ẹ lówó tó kù tó lọ fi ṣe fence. Why did you take it in the first place? Ó ti wo pé ó ti ń jèrè nìyẹn. Torí pé bọ̀bọ́ yìí ti kú. But now, Mohbad was my best friend. Tí Mohbad bá jẹ́ best friend then, you can still get justice. Go and bury him and find justice. If Mohbad was your best friend, you will not keep him there. If Mohbad was your best friend, you will not leave him in the van for 15 hours all night. Nígbà tó kú. So, come on. Àwọn tó ń dáwó fún yín lórí social media ló make Mohbad the best friend yín. Àwọn ló jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ value Mohbad. You never value the boy. Stop it.